Listen to me. Most people are sleepwalking through their lives. They wake up, drag themselves to a job they hate, complain about it, and then do the same exact thing the next day. And they wonder why nothing changes. You want financial freedom? You want time freedom? You want to quit your job? Good. Drop the excuses. Nobody's coming to save you. No magic formula. No secret shortcut. Just you. Today, I'm going to show you a 9-month playbook that millions of people wish they had the courage to follow. But here's the truth. Most won't even try. Wake the hell up. You are not stuck. You're comfortable. And comfort is the biggest prison in the world. You think your job is safe? Your company would replace you tomorrow if they found someone cheaper. You think working 40 years just to retire at 65 is the plan? That's the scam. You're scared? Good. Fear means you're alive. Fear means you're aware something needs to change. Stop playing defense. Stop waiting for motivation. Stop telling yourself you'll start next month. You said that last year. The 9-month escape plan. Here's the structure. Month 1 to 2. Pick a path and validate. Month 3 to 4. Build the MVP and launch. Month 5 to 6. Scale and automate. Month 7 to 8. Build financial runway. Month 9. Quit. We're going deep on each of these. No fluff. No theory. Action. Choose your money path. Stop overthinking the niche. Stop waiting for the perfect idea. Let me tell you a secret. The perfect idea doesn't exist. Consistency beats perfection every single day. You pick one income stream. Just one. Not 12. Not 3. 1. Options that work in 2025. Freelancing, editing, design, ads, copywriting. SMMA or short-form content agency. UGC content. YouTube automation. Digital products. E-commerce. Affiliate marketing. Coaching/consulting. Service-based skills, the fastest path. You don't need passion. You need skill. You need value. Passion comes after results. Validate fast. You don't spend 2 months making a logo. No. You message 100 people and see if anyone will pay you. That's validation. Money proves demand, not your imagination. Build your MVP plus launch now. This is where people screw up. They plan. They brainstorm. They prepare. And they never launch. Your MVP is the simplest version of what people can pay you for. A 1-page website. A Google Doc offer. A sample video. A landing page. A basic store. You need one thing. A client or customer. Action steps. 1. Build a tiny offer. 2. Show it publicly, socials, DMs, groups. 3. Get feedback. 4. Improve. 5. Repeat. You will not be proud of your first version. Good. That means you're moving. Nobody remembers your first attempt anyway. This is the point where 80% of people quit. Why? Because they care what other people think. Let me make this clear. Your friends are not paying your bills. Your coworkers aren't building your dreams. Stop letting opinions control your life. Scale and systemize. Once you've made $500, you can make $1,000. If you can make $1,000, you can make $5,000. If you can make $5,000, you can replace your income. Now you scale. 1. Double down on what's working. 2. Eliminate what's not. 3. Systemize everything. 4. Automate small tasks. 5. Outsource when possible. You are not supposed to do everything yourself forever. You're building a business, not a prison. Stop being the bottleneck. Start being the leader. Consistency is greater than genius. Systems is greater than motivation. Execution is greater than ideas. Build runway. This is where you stop being emotional and start being strategic. You need 3 to 6 months of savings, a consistent business income, a clear plan for the next 90 days after quitting. This is not the time to buy a new phone. This is not the time to flex. This is the time to stack cash. Freedom comes from discipline, not spending. You want leverage? Money is leverage. Time is leverage. Your business gives you both. Protect your runway like your life depends on it, because it does. Quit. This is the moment everything changes. You walk into work knowing you're done, letting someone else control your time. You're not quitting because you hate your boss. You're quitting because you believe in you. You set a date. You write your resignation. You walk out with your head high. And for the first time in your life, your time is yours. The real truth. Look, most people won't do this. They'll nod their head. They'll bookmark the video. And they'll go right back to scrolling. But you? You're still here. That says something. You want it. You feel it. So here's the truth. Your life does not change in 9 months. It changes today, when you decide you're done living small. This playbook works. This path works. But you have to work. Stop overthinking. Stop waiting. Stop wishing. Start building. Start doing. Start moving. Because 9 months from now, you're either going to be in the same place or a completely different life. And that choice is yours. Start now.